If you're tired of losing money in options, this could change everything. Robert from upstate New York tried other services that failed, but Chuck Hughes' elite AI delivered very good results with extremely reliable alerts. Results not typical. Trading involves substantial risk. Here's exactly how it works. Chuck Hughes isn't just another trading guru. He's a 10-time verified champion with 35 years of proven results. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. His elite AI system is brilliantly simple. You get 4 to 6 precise trade alerts every month via email or text. Each alert tells you exactly what option to buy, at what price, and when to exit. Trading involves risk of loss. Plus, you get the co-pilot indicator. It works inside Think or Swim and TradingView, showing you real-time buying pressure and printing your complete game plan right on your chart. As a member, you receive direct trade alerts from Chuck's team, the co-pilot indicator with full training, access to the members portal with trade history and calculators, strategy guides and masterclasses, personal support from FFR trading strategists. That's it. Everything designed to work whether markets go up, down, or sideways. But here's what sets this apart. You're not just buying alerts. You get a complete support system through FFR Trading. They're Chuck's exclusive partner with an A+ BBB rating and 4.7-star Google reviews. Your personal strategist will help determine if this program fits your goals, account size, and risk tolerance. Want to see if Chuck's elite AI system could work for your portfolio? Call FFR Trading at 800-883-0524 for a free strategy consultation. Or click the link below to schedule at your convenience. This isn't a sales pitch. It's a conversation about whether this proven system makes sense for your specific situation. Don't keep struggling alone. Call 800-883-0524 now or click below to schedule your free call. Your trading could transform today.